Hey guys, I just want to take a quick minute, talk about these flap siding discs compared to these Kutzall shaping discs. Hey guys, I just wanted to go over something really quick in this video here. It's going to be a real quick video. You know, I was carving more Christmas trees today, and I carved a wood spirit for that sale I got tomorrow. And I was thinking about this Kutzall bit. So in my other video, I showed me using it, and you can see this is a Kutzall Extreme course. Look at those points, guys. This is a ripper, okay? And I thought maybe I shouldn't have, suggested this over top one of these. Don't use this, guys. Like I said in my other videos, just don't use these chainsaw discs. They're way too dangerous. Pros don't use them unless it's just my opinion, guys. So my point in this video is going to be, this is a little grinder, okay? For 7-8 years, I worked in a bridge shop, okay? It was a steel shop building bridges, like logging bridges and stuff like that. I swung a big grinder all day long, every day, grinding. Not just a little tiny grinder like this, but the big old Walter heavy ones, all day, every day. Okay, so I got a lot of experience holding the grinders. Okay, some people don't have the experience holding the grinders. Okay, so I think this is a fantastic tool, guys. Kutzall, you guys all know that I'm an affiliate, and go to the link below and you can get these shaping discs, okay? But I think if you want to get into bigger carving and you don't have a lot of experience holding hand tools like this, because guys, I forgot to say it in my other video, but I was carving deep last year. I was carving deep into a channel in a wood spirit. This thing, I don't know what happened, but I was like this. This thing kicked back. I had my dust mask on, okay? My plastic dust masks that I use. Hit me in my dust mask when I was sitting down in my little stool. Knocked me off my stool, okay? This thing ripped my dust mask to shit. Luckily, I was wearing my dust mask, or I'd be missing a chunk of my nose. And I'm not speaking for Kutzall, but I'm saying they might agree that be sure to know how to use your tools before you use something like this. Be sure because this thing kicks back if you don't have a good grip of it, guys. And it's even dangerous for me to use, okay? So I think if you're going to really want to do more shaping and stuff with the grinder and stuff like this for bigger carvings, get a flap wheel like this. It's just a sanding flap wheel, guys. Lots of pro carvers shape with these things. Get one like this that's 40 or 80 grit, and it's good. And if this thing hits you, it might give you a little bit of road rash quick, unless you actually put it on your skin and start grinding. But I think this is the safer bet. A little flap wheel disc. You can buy these at any hardware store, guys. Get 60 or 40 grit, and these go in the grinders too. And this is a lot safer, guys, and you can shape with this. See, here's a cheap one. I don't know, but see, this one's got rounded edge. You can find them like that too. See, this one's straight edge. This one's straight edge. And this one's round edge. You can shape with these, guys. You don't have to get this to do your shaping. You don't. And I think you should, again, I'm repeating myself, if you're just very starting out, get a cheap grinder, put one of these on here, use this for a year or so, or however long it takes you to get used to that grinder kicking in your hand. Get used to that grinder being in your hand, you know what I mean? Then I think you should upgrade to one of these. Does that make sense? I had something else to say and I forget what I needed to say, but I think I made my point, guys. These are cheap. Start off with this if you're just getting into the grinder. Oh, what I wanted to say is you can get grinders that have multi-speeds too. This one just has the switch to turn on and off, but you get the flap sounder ones too. I don't like the flap sounders. I'm old school, but those flap sounders are good too, because if this thing, if you're grinding with one of these things on or this on or whatever, and that thing kicks, your hand comes off, it turns off. So you can get these grinders variable speed. You can get them with the flap sounder, the flapper on and off switch. And you can get them with brakes too. Brakes are really good for the beginning carvers, guys. You know, so I suggest this. And you guys, you know, like, see how square that is? After a while, this will round off to be like this one. This thing's just a cheap hunk of junk, okay? But after a while, this edge won't be so square, and it will round off like this, and you'll be able to do better shaping. Okay, shut up, Jordy. The super tree is lit. The super tree is lit. Yep, it's already sold.